This architecture AI gonna help you to create this to this very stunning image rendering, just providing a single raw image of any 3D spaces or your 3D models. So guys, first you need to sign in. Okay, after sign in you have to see that there is a design your dream rooms option given here. Just click over here. Okay, after clicking here you need to just upload a raw image or your 3D spaces in a real time. Okay, when you will upload that image here, you can select your styles of rooms and your room types. Just after uploading and selecting the options, your image generation will be done within a minute. You can see that how stunning these spaces are created. You have seen that the upper false ceiling are also generated with a backlit, guys. You can see that this is the difference, and totally changed by AI, guys. You must have to use this AI, and this is free of cost. You don't have to pay any money for this, and you can use it. The name of this AI is roomgpt.io. Now AI is everywhere, guys. Now you can get benefit with this AI. And please share, subscribe and like my channel. How would you like this video? Please comment in comment section. And on which topic you want a video on next tutorial, please comment in the comment section, guys. And have fun. Please share this to other architecture students and professional so that they can get benefit. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun and see you next tutorial. Thank you.